Good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Devesh Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, the session chair of this 5 days faculty development program. Uh, uh, I welcome every participants and dignitaries on this 5-day online faculty development program under AICT training and learning, which is organized by the Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology. Now I request Dr. Srinivasa to kindly formally welcome our participants and dignitaries and give a brief introduction about this 5-day faculty development program. Sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Devesh. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Lalit Kumar Awasthi, Director NIT Jalandhar. Guest of Honor, Dr. K. Srinivas Reddy, Professor IIT Madras. Convener and Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla. Registered Deans, Faculty, Participants, one and all. A very good morning to all. Warm welcome to AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 5-day FDP on challenges and opportunities on collection, storage and utilization of solar thermal energy, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Solar energy is playing a key role on energy sharing and innovative technology developments among all the green energy systems. The main objective of this FDP is to understand the fundamentals and latest trends in collect, store and using methods and technologies in solar thermal energy. This 5-day FDP is scheduled with 14 lectures, having 13 technical talks and 1 on human values and ethics to promote Fit India movement across the country. 2 industrial lectures will cover the industrial aspects and applications in solar energy. For this FDP, 250 participants are registered with a maximum limit of 250 members. At the end of this program, we will announce 3 best participants based on the performance on the FDP examination. These 3 participants will receive book on solar energy after the completion. This FDP has 10 speakers for 14 lectures for 5 days. The speakers are Dr. K. Srinivas Reddy, IIT Madras, Dr. Sukhmeet Singh, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, Dr. Subhash Chandra and myself, NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Iswar Murthy from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra, Jammu, Dr. Velraj, Anna University, Chennai, Dr. Himansh Tagyu, IIT Ropar, Dr. S. Suresh, NIT Trichy, Dr. Rajpreet Kaur, Punjab Technical University, Kapurthala, and Sri Madhusudan Rao, Urja Energy Private Limited, Hyderabad. We thank all the speakers for accepting the invitation in their busy schedule. We thank AICT Atal for sponsoring this program and giving the guidelines. We feel fortunate to get dynamic motivation and encouragement from our director, Dr. L.K. Awasthi. Our sincere gratitude to Dean Research and Consultancy, Dr. S.K. Sinha, Registrar Dr. S.K. Misra, Head of the Department, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Accounts and Purchase Department, faculty and staff for their continuous support for the smooth organization of this 5-day FDP. Finally, we appreciate all the participants for their interest and cooperation. I wish this wonderful program will address and give the solutions on challenges in the field of solar thermal energy and creates a new opportunities. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Okay, sir. So thank you, Srinivas, for your kind information about the 5-day faculty development program that will really going to help us out to develop a sustainable environment in the future. Now I would like to invite HOD Mechanical Engineering Department to give a brief information about the department and also addressing our participants. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Devesh. Good morning to all. Respected Professor L.K. Awasthi, Director, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, Chief Guest, for 5-day AICT Atal Faculty Development Program on challenges and opportunities in collection, storage, utilization of solar thermal energy. Professor K. Srinivas Reddy, Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras, a guest of honor, respected faculty members, and dear participants. I, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, welcome you all. Department of Mechanical Engineering is thankful all the faculty members who spare their valuable time from their busy schedule in this FDP as resource persons. I wish all the participants will definitely get benefited from the rich experience of the resource persons in all the 14 lectures and will be able to cater the society with innovative ideas regarding collection, storage, and utilization of solar thermal energy. I also invite constructive feedback from the participants during and at the end of the program to improve for future FDPs and STCs planning. I am thankful to all for joining this online inauguration session. Thank you. Thank you all. Over to Davish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your brief introduction about the department. And now I would like to invite our worthy director, Professor L.K. Awasthi, sir, to kindly address our participants and dignitaries. Sir, over to you.
Good morning. I'm audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So our esteemed guest of honor, Sri K. Srinivas Reddy, Professor IIT Madras, Professor Dr. D.K. Shukla, Dr. Srinivas, the coordinator and head of department, Dr. Shukla, then Dr. Devesh, and all the faculty members at NIT Jalandhar and dear participants. It's my pleasure to be here on inaugural of this 5-day FDP under AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy, Challenges and Opportunities in Collection, Storage and Utilization of Solar Thermal Energy. The program has been very well perceived and is at the right time. And I'll take a couple of minutes in introducing the institute. This institute, NIT Jalandhar, came in 1987 as the Regional Engineering College Jalandhar, and with a humble beginning of 100 students at UG level. Slowly, gradually we increased our branches, and then the institute was deemed university in 2002, and then it was declared an institute of national importance in 2007. Ever since its beginning, the institution is having a lot of growth in terms of departments, students, research publications, everything. Since last 4-5 years, the institute has seen a exponential growth, and I would like to put my appreciation to all faculty members, students, and staff for this exponential growth of the institute. In particular, I would like to put appreciation to Dr. Shukla and his team, because the Department of Mechanical, as adjusted by a jury, has been a front performer in the overall progress of NIT Jalandhar. So, congratulations to the faculty and staff of the department, apart from majorly the electronics and communication department and computer science department. So, almost all the departments are performing to their best, and the institution has seen this in the latest NRF ranking, where institute has scored 52nd rank by having an elevation of 61 institutions, which is unprecedented in the history of NIT Jalandhar. The course is very well perceived, as I've told you earlier also. This is a just knowledge check. Did you know that the energy sun provides to the earth for 1 hour could meet the global energy needs for 1 year? Undoubtedly, the sun is a powerful energy source, and even though we are not able but to collect a fraction of this energy, yet harnessing this power by installing solar panels can make a significant difference to the planet. India is one of the countries with the large production of energy from renewable sources. As of 31st March 2020, 35.86% of India's installed energy generation capacity is from renewable sources, generating 21.22% of total utility electricity in the country. India's energy consumption set to grow by 165%, the fastest among all major economies by 2040. You can see how much stress is there because everything is linked to energy. So I definitely would like to see that through this FDP, through our learned experts and the researchers at the institute, we all collectively should be able to give the better and the best ways of energy storage. That is yet to come, isn't it? There are so many technologies which are there. The battery technologies are going up. We can save. We have many materials which are giving better storage, but yet the best is yet to come. So with this word, I hope that this FDP will be able to bring in new sources of storage for solar energy and will be able to pave path for good source of renewable source and good source of energy which is eco-friendly and can sustain our environment in future. The last thing which I would like to add on is that everyone in this country, we all need to work responsibly towards the upliftment of our country, and we need to deliver at least what we are meant for. If there is a faculty, he or she need to deliver as if a teacher has to do the teaching, the research, and everything. Similarly for others. So with this word, I congratulate Dr. Shukla, Dr. Srinivas, and hope that this FTV will be able to generate new ideas and will be able to teach faculty researchers in this thrust area. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your information about the colleges and the course. Of course, under your guidance, the college has reached a new milestone, and we are very grateful of